Welcome to our tutorial on designing a modern and professional website using Figma. In this video, we'll take you through a comprehensive step-by-step process, from project planning to creating high-fidelity wireframes. Let's get started. First, let's discuss project planning, a crucial step for any successful website design. Define the goals of your website. Are you showcasing a portfolio, selling products, or offering services? Clear goals will guide your design decisions. Identify your target audience. Understanding their needs and problems will help you create a user-centered design. Conduct market research. Analyze your competition and study current web design trends to make your website stand out. Next, we'll structure the website using information architecture. This step is crucial for ensuring a clear and intuitive user experience. First, let's create a sitemap to outline the primary and secondary navigation. The sitemap is a visual representation of your website structure, showing how different pages are connected. It helps in organizing the content logically and ensures users can easily find what they're looking for. Now, we'll identify the key pages your website will need. These typically include the home page, about us, services or product details, blog or news, and contact. Each of these pages serves a specific purpose and caters to different user needs. The home page is the main entry point and should provide an overview of what the website offers. It should include navigation to other key sections. The About Us page tells your story, including your mission, history, and information about your team members. The Services or Product Details page is where you showcase what you offer. This includes detailed descriptions, images, features, and pricing information. The Blog or News page is for sharing updates, articles, and news relevant to your audience. This keeps your site dynamic and engaging. Finally, the Contact page should make it easy for users to get in touch with you. This typically includes a contact form, a location map, and additional contact details like phone numbers and email addresses. Once we've identified the key pages, we'll sketch the basic structures for each one. These are called low-fidelity wireframes. They focus on layout and hierarchy without getting into detailed design elements. Think of them as rough drafts that outline where the main sections, images, and text blocks will go. This step is crucial for visualizing the overall flow and functionality before diving into detailed design. By carefully planning your information architecture, you'll lay a solid foundation for a website that's both user-friendly and effective. Our tutorial on designing a modern and professional website using Figma. Now, let's set up our project in Figma. Start by creating a new Figma file. Organize it into pages, wireframes, high-fidelity layout, prototype, and components. Define global styles to ensure consistency across your design. Choose a color palette with primary, secondary, and tertiary colors. Select fonts for titles, subtitles, body text, and buttons. Choose or create a consistent set of icons. Set a grid and spacing guidelines to maintain uniformity in your design. Let's move on to designing high-fidelity wireframes for each key page, starting with the home page. Design the home page with these sections. First, let's design the home page. This page is the face of your website, and it's essential to make a great first impression. Start with the header, including your logo, navigation menu, and a call to action button. Place your logo in the top left corner, add a navigation menu beside it, and on the right side, place a call to action button in a contrasting color. Moving on to the hero section, use a high-quality featured image or video, overlay a main title, add a subtitle for additional context, and include a prominent action button below the text. Next, we'll design the featured services or products section. Create a grid or list format to display your main services or products, including a brief description and a relevant image for each item. Add a testimonials section to build trust. Display selected testimonials from satisfied customers, including their names, photos, and possibly their job titles or company names. Include clear calls to action throughout the home page. Place prominent buttons like Contact Us or See More at strategic points, using contrasting colors to make them stand out. Finally, let's design the footer. Include links to your social media profiles, provide your contact information, and add secondary navigation links to important pages like privacy policy and terms of service. Service product details page design. Next, let's design the services or product details page. Start with a detailed listing of your services or products. Each should have a dedicated section with a title, description, high-quality images, and a list of features, including pricing information. Add in fact section to clarify common questions. Use a collapsible format to keep it tidy and user-friendly. Include testimonials or success stories related to the specific service or product, highlighting successful outcomes and satisfied customers. Lastly, add a contact form or buy button. The contact form should include fields for the visitor's name, email, and message, or if focused on a product, include a prominent buy button. About Us page design. Next, let's design the About Us page. Start with a brief description of your company's history and mission. Outline your journey, key milestones, and clearly state your mission. Introduce your team with photos and brief biographies of key members, mentioning their roles and contributions. Showcase your company's values and culture. List your core values and provide insights into your company culture. Blog news page design. Next, let's design the blog or news page. Start with an article listing. Each article should have a title, summary, date, and category. Decide on the navigation style for your articles. Choose between pagination or infinite loading. Include a search bar and filters to help visitors find specific articles or narrow down by categories, tags, or date. Contact page design. Lastly, let's design the contact page. Start with a contact form, including fields for the visitor's name, email, and message. Add an interactive location map to show your business location. Include your phone number, email address, and business hours. Thank you for watching our tutorial on designing a modern and professional website in Figma. We hope you found this guide helpful and are now ready to create stunning websites. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials. Happy designing!